Yeah.
Is you sick, cuz?
Nah, I ain't sick, cuz. That's my allergies.
I'm just playing with you, cuz. I got allergies too. Hey, do your thing, cuz.
Thanks, man.
Cuz you lost your mind. I'm germophobic. Sick face, you better use that bonnet for your mask. You got the nerve to cough right beside me. I should sue you right here, cuz.
Nah, cuz it's my allergies, I promise.
Is your allergies contagious?
Ain't not contagious, cuz allergies. I'm sorry, man. Allergies going crazy today.
Who you suing now, Jack? Let's just say a human being coughed in the atmosphere, knowing that he got some type of whatever right on me. Oh, no. Oh, that's at least 30 years. We gonna win this case. I got you, Jack. Yeah, you met a real germaphobe, cuz. Yeah, you're gonna be doing at least 30 years. My lawyer ready.